Good morning, applicant. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Can you tell me something about yourself?
My name is Jenilyn Rodulfa. I'm 32 years old. I'm single. I have two daughters, age 13 and 14 years old, and I'm the youngest of the family.
Do you have a working experience as domestic helper?
Yes, I work as housemaid here in Philippines in more than 3 years, and I serve five members of the family.
Why do you intend to work abroad?
I want to work abroad so I can provide the daily needs of my family and to support the education of my children.
Go. How were your experience in your previous employer?
My experience was good. My employer trusted me and I did my best to finish my duties every day.
As domestic helper, what are your main duties and responsibilities?
My main duties are cleaning the house and organized and done properly.
Can you cook?
I cook simple dishes, mostly Filipino food, and I'm willing to learn how to cook other cuisine.
What are the appliances that you can operate?
I can operate household appliances like washing machine, vacuum, rice cooker, and electric iron.
Can you take care of your Go. How can you take care of young children?
I take care of children by keeping themselves, feeding them on time, helping taking a bath, and playing with them.
Will you pinch or hit them if they are naughty?
No, never, mom.
Can you tell me possible reason why the babies cry?
The babies cry when they are hungry, sleepy, uncomfortable, or need attention.
If your employer child is not feeling well, what will you do?
I will inform my employer right away, make the child comfortable, and monitor their condition.
How can you manage the household chores and the baby?
I will prioritize the baby first, then I do household chores when the baby is sleeping, and I will manage my time properly and stay flexible.
How can you handle homesickness?
I handle homesickness by praying and calling my family.
What is your final message to your prospective employer?
Thank you for the opportunity. If you hired me, I will do my best, be honest, hardworking, and follow your instruction. I will take care for your family and work with dedication.